Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to show you some helmets from the company of Vega. So this is the helmet. This model is Vega Aster DX. Okay, uh, I bought it from Amazon and its price is $9.98 and it's quite fine to wear. Okay, now the another helmet is also from Vega brand, and its price is $6.68 in Amazon. I will give the link below. Okay, so this helmet model is Vega Atom. Okay, so Vega Atom model, and this is I didn't find it very good. Okay, so this is this size is M. ओके, सो ये बहुत मतलब मेरे हेड के लिए बहुत टाइट हो गया था, इसलिए मैंने इसको रिटर्न कर दिया. ओके, सो सी दिस. ओके, it is nice to wear, but I didn't find it comfortable. So I choose the blue one, that is Vega Aster DX. This is also fine, but for my head its size is uncomfortable. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.